Sure, one only.
Hey, stop, police. Stop, get on the ground.
What do you want?
Get on the ground now.
Me?
No, not you, back up. Go to the side. You, on the ground.
move?
Get on the ground now. Move aside. Get on the ground or you will be tased. Back away, get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
Fucking shit! You
Golf one away,
motherfuckers!
tased, one tased. Get on the ground or you'll be tased too.
Fucking do it, bitch!
Down. Get down. On the ground. Get on the ground and do not move. Can you roll medics? Just keep her away. Turn on your side. Turn on your side. You are under arrest. You have a warrant and you've been trespassed. You are under arrest. Do not move. Stay back. Keep your hands where you can see them. Put your hands right here. Slowly.
You fucking had it under control. You fucking know it.
Shut up. Put your hands right here or you're going to get it again.
Yeah, right there. What did I do? What did I do?
We'll be out. Do not move.
What did I do?
Don't move. It doesn't matter. Shut up.
Yes, it does.
It's not up to you.
What did I do?
Do not move again or I will give you two again.
We're really here to protect and serve. aren't
Shut up. This is not about you.
What did I do?
You have a
What's
warrant.
he being arrested for?
That's not your business.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's all my business.
Stop moving or I will tase you again. Do not move. I will tase you again.
Fuck you.
Stop moving. Don't move or you'll get it again. Outside ballet. Shut up. You done? If you pull away from again, you'll get it again. Turn your head the other way. Turn your head the other way. Turn your head away. Be quiet.
Yes, it does.
Golf on weight. I have him on the ground
Hey, you got me on the ground twice.
and holding him.
I didn't do anything. Hey, you fucking sucked me twice.
Well, you shouldn't resist. I told you you were under arrest. You resisted.
How did I resist when I was laying
Stop
down?
moving. You were pulling away.
Why?
I have a body camera, so it'll catch
Hey,
you.
so I was resisting when I was pulling around.
Clean of that, won't we?
Right over here, man. Line. The word is right there.
Don't.
Fucking back, dude.
No. Be quiet.
I can hardly breathe.
All right. Well, if you keep moving. No. No. Shut up, or you will get tased again.
No, you shut the fuck. Get off the fuck of my head, dude.
Wolfer, huh?
What's your name?
That's
I need
my
her.
mom, bro. Leave the fuck her alone. I ain't doing shit.
You have a warrant and you're trespassing, and you know that.
Oh, I know that?
Yes, you've been trespassed from here. You are under arrest for your warrant and for trespassing. You stepped foot on casino
Hey,
property.
you electrocuted me 2 times.
Yeah, because you kept going.
How
away
old
from
are
me.
you?
That doesn't matter.
How old are you? What's your name?
Shut up, Pipeline.
You shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
If you keep.
Who said
Stop.
shut the fuck up?
I did.
Yeah, say
Stop.
something again, motherfucker.
What is your problem, dude?
Nothing.
You're
I just want.
Come to my place and recognize a fool.
This is my place to work, fool. This is my.
How are you so fucking drunk?
I'm not.
If I step over that line right there,
Do I look
you
drunk?
come get me, all right?
Don't you tell me, is that what you
She's fine.
said?
She can record. She can do whatever she wants as long as she doesn't interfere, and that's fine.
I didn't do anything.
If we can get him calm, I can
up
explain
then.
everything. Okay.
Just shut up and I'll let
If
you
we
up.
could all complain or calm down, and I can explain. You gonna be cool with me, or are you gonna
Yeah,
keep
I'm gonna be
resisting?
cool.
Okay. Just relax.
Resisting to begin with.
He walked away when I told him to stop. He has history of assaulting police, and he had a warrant, and he's trespassing.
All right. Yeah.
Nope, you can stay on the ground. I don't know. It's a warrant for felony. It doesn't matter. That's between him and the courts.
Got a warrant.
He knew that, and he knew he was trespassing. I told him to stop. He was resisting when he was on the
Have you already
ground.
been trespassed from here?
Yes, many times.
Oh, currently. Talk
Yes,
about currently.
he has a permanent one. He steps foot here, he gets arrested. He has a felony warrant. Golf on the way. I'm code 4. Medics
Had this. We're
are
all
okay
here
to come
for.
in. I have him on the ground, but he is being
We're
compliant now.
leaving.
Mom, let's go. Mom, let's go.
I didn't need a taser. I'd make a big fucking scene. Follow him all around the casino.
If he's kicked out, that's what they
Nobody ever said that. Did any of these security bitches come up and say he's trespassing? He's
Ma'am,
leave?
he knows.
No, they didn't.
He knows.
History.
Do you have any injuries anywhere? 'Cause I'm gonna have medics come check with you, okay?
Oh, good.
You good? Alright, I still have to have you checked out, and then they're gonna pull the probes out, okay? But I just want to make sure if there's any injuries, okay?
Glad you came out, 2 stars.
Can you ask him if he has any injuries? I just want to make sure.
It's good.
He's
No.
fine.
My fight ain't
Okay.
coming home tonight.
He's fine.
Yeah, they just fucking got here.
I appreciate you getting cooler now, okay? Are your handcuffs too tight?
It's fucking good.
You good? Okay.
Take them off.
Well, I can't take them off. You're under arrest, like I told you.
I think the quicker you get him out of here, the better.
I have medics. I have to do medics here, and I have another deputy coming. So
Yeah, because he's laying on the ground sucks.
yeah.
And he's just going to be more combative longer if you lay on the ground.
If I sit you up and on your knees or on your butt, will you be cooperative?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. So I'm gonna roll you towards. I don't want to get you all tangled up here, right? What I'm gonna do? Here, why don't we roll this way?
Yeah, that's what you said, right?
Bring your knees right here,
All right.
and then I'm gonna help you to your butt. Okay? Just kind of roll them under you, and then just sit right here. Okay?
All right.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yep. So I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me. Okay?
I've been cool with you. I
know.
never did anything.
Okay.
Calm down, let them do what they got to do.
Okay.
Calm down. I didn't calm down.
Let them do what they got to do.
So I have to have medics check him out, and I can't move him until I get a cover unit. So.
It's not helping those situations when you act like that.
Shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Just let them do what they got to do.
Who's this?
Hmm?
Who's that?
Who's this? What?
All these wires.
That's part of the
They're
taser.
waiting for the medics to come and take it out.
Yeah, the medics are gonna come and they have to pull him.
And
out.
you gotta take me for what?
You were going away from me. And you were.
Because I
you
was
were
going
squaring
away
up.
from you,
Don't worry
motherfucker.
about it. It's over now.
You were
I'm
squaring
not
up.
talking to you,
You
dumbass.
don't have to.
You said you'd be cool if we sat you up, okay?
And I said I am cool.
Okay, so just let's keep everything calm.
I don't
okay?
like to get tased for no reason.
Okay, I understand.
You fucking off me.
I have to keep a hand on you, okay?
Yeah. As long as you're gonna be cool, you ain't gonna do shit. So just be cool.
Oh, you motherfucker.
They're just doing their job.
Yeah, what did I do?
Doesn't matter. They're just
Nothing.
doing their job. They gotta stand there. That's what they do. They watch traffic and
Look
do
at him like
their
a
job.
dumb butt.
Well, I don't want you to get hit by. I don't want you to get hit by a car.
I didn't do anything. What did I do?
You're
got a
under
warrant.
arrest, and you were trespassing.
I want you to come out and go this way.
Get my hand.
I have to keep a hand on you.
Get the fuck off.
I have to
Leave
keep a
him
hand
alone.
on you.
He's gotta do his job.
Okay.
They're rolling up right now. Alright, here comes the medic. We're gonna take those wires out of here. They're gonna take you off. You gotta go.
Well, at least haven't. Are you gonna be okay with medics? Are you gonna be combative with them, or are you gonna be okay?
Fuck off me, man.
Are you gonna be okay with
Ask
the
me a question.
And I said, get the fuck off me. Who are you?
I'm your fucking brother.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, bitch. Who the fuck are you? Unfortunately, they shot me 2 times
resistance?
for no reason at all.
They have their reasons.
Yeah, if they have reasons. When I was walking away,
Yep.
Who shot me?
That one guy took off.
He shot me twice.
Copy.
Yeah,
Medics
he
are on
took off.
scene.
Yeah, why he shoot
We
me?
got one more coming, so just wait a
No,
second.
he just took off.
Hey, people like to
Have
get
medics
shot?
Wait until the
Fuck that shit!
20 gets here.
You dumbass motherfucker.
Okay.
Y'all want to shoot me?
Hey, just calm it. You said you'd be cool if I have you sitting, right? You promised me.
Shut the fuck up, man. Go back to work. Who the fuck is this guy?
Calm down, man.
He ain't gonna save me getting shot. I already got shot.
We got one more coming.
I didn't do anything. All I was doing was walking to the car.
Yeah, stop.
Oh, stop, motherfucker, Eastman. And then he shot me.
You didn't stop. You were.
Why'd you
squaring
shoot me
up.
then?
You were squaring
Don't
up
worry
on
about
me.
it. It's over.
Hey, you're lucky I like you.
Okay, I'm glad. I'm trying
What's
to
your
be,
name?
I'm trying to be cool with you. It's Wolfer.
Wolfer.
I'm with the tribal police. I'm trying to be cool with you right now. Am I talking to you respectfully?
I got hit 2 times.
I know, but I'm being respectful
Is
with you right now.
is that cool?
It,
Is that cool?
am I being
Is
respectful
that
with
their
you?
job? That's your job.
Okay.
Fuck no.
I'm being respectful with you right now, right?
I didn't do anything.
Okay. Can you be respectful with me while I be respectful with you?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. All right.
My name's Highman Eastman,
Hi.
and I didn't do anything.
I'm James.
You're just doing it just because hearsay.
Okay.
You guys fucking tased me, right?
Yeah, I did tase you.
Right in the chest. You know I have a bad heart problem.
Did you? I did not know that. Well, that's why I had.
Nobody knows that shit, man.
Okay. I'm just,
Fuck you. You're
That's why I
gonna
called
give
the
me a heart
medics.
fucking attack, dude.
well, I'm glad you didn't.
Oh, you really care about my life?
I do care.
No, you fucking don't, dude.
Yeah.
You think are you gonna? If I die, you think it's okay?
I would feel really bad.
No, how would you care, dude?
Yeah. I don't.
You
wanna
don't
see
care at
it.
all. So shut the fuck up. Quit telling stories.
All right. Golf 108. We confirmed the warrant. Copy. You don't have any weapons on you, right?
No, I don't care.
I just gotta check.
Turn this around.
Turn what around? What is that? What is it? This?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it?
My necklace.
That better?
My heart still hurts.
Okay. Well, I got another deputy coming, and then we're gonna check.
From that thing.
Yep. Well, we're gonna have them help you out.
Why do you guys do that?
I already explained to you, but let's just worry about the medics now, okay? I want to make sure your heart's okay. Let's just worry about that. I want to make sure you're okay, all right? You said you'd be cool with me, and I'm talking with you
I said
respectfully.
I am cool with you.
Perfect. All right.
Hey, how you doing?
I'll be a lot better as long as I get the shit out of me.
All right, we'll get that taken care of right away.
Let me do it.
All right, hold on for a second first.
I wanted them to wait until you got here. He says he's got a heart condition as well, and he's been also has the throat, so I just want to make sure, and he fell on his back, so I want to make sure he didn't hit his head on the cement.
What's your name, sir?
Hi.
Hey, what's your name?
Hi.
High Pine.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, that's his name.
Oh, okay. I'm Sean. My partner's gonna check you out, okay? Is that cool?
That's cool.
All right, man. Then I want to touch around the back of your head to see if you heard it or not, okay?
I think so.
All right. Any pain? Any
That's
pain
fine.
there?
I just, when they said he was
Only
getting
when
combative
they-
with him and
when they,
walking away, I was like, I gotta get in there with him.
Yeah, okay.
I got tools,
How about
they
that? Does
don't.
that hurt at all?
But by myself, I gotta escalate a lot quicker. Oh yeah.
That hurts?
Yeah, he wouldn't stop. I told him to stop. His mom was
Oh,
getting
well,
in
you can
between. I
feel
was
it.
trying to
Don't
shove her
hurt
out of
me,
the
you
way.
can feel it.
He
Okay.
starts kind of squaring up. He says, oh, he starts squaring up. She left. This is your brother?
Did you black you out or anything?
No.
Okay.
I don't know.
So he, yeah.
So he's gonna put a couple stickers on.
He
so we can
basically
look at
had
your
her,
heart. What kind
had
of
her
heart
leave.
condition?
She was pretty upset. And I was like, you can film, but you need to shut up and back away.
Okay.
Because she was jacking him up. But
Okay.
I had to do it a
Right
second
now
time
with
because he
that?
started pulling away from me on the ground. So
Oh, all the time. Okay.
I'm going to put this on your finger back here so we can see your oxygen set,
I haven't
okay?
done a full pat down yet, just a quick. So yeah, he's very intox. He was trespass.
I was trespass?
Yeah, you were.
Is that what you're saying?
Yep.
You told him?
Yeah, I'm just telling him what happened.
I hear you.
Yep.
I have
I appreciate that you're being cool with me, man. I really appreciate, like you said, I'd be cool with you, you'd be cool with me. I appreciate you keep your word.
What's the spelling? How does he spell it?
It's shorter.
Driver's license?
H-I-G-H. It's High Pine.
High Pine?
Yeah, like high.
Okay.
He said it'd be alright if he took his wallet out so he could get his information.
Sure.
What pocket was it?
Where's it at?
Where's it at, High?
In my pocket.
Which one? Left or right?
What's the big deal, man?
No, you want me to get your wallet, right? For them?
Is it okay?
It's up to you. You want me to get that? I can get that.
Thank you.
I just want to make sure we get the correct spelling and grammar.
H-I-G-H-P-I-N-E, that's his first name. No middle. Last name's this man. P-A-S-T-M-A-N.
I'm gonna put this right back here, okay?
Do you know him?
My brother.
Brother? What kind of medical history does your brother have?
Just a heart condition.
What? Do you know what it is?
It's like erratic.
AFib?
Irregular heartbeat?
Are we done?
Yeah, just irregular heartbeat.
Oh, hang on. Almost.
What did I do?
Well, they're just making
Well,
sure
I don't
your
know
heart.
what you did with them.
I
I'm
was just
here to-
walking across the fucking parking lot. What the fuck did I do?
I don't
What
know.
did I do?
I don't know.
He doesn't know.
I'm just here to
He doesn't
check you
know.
out,
He's just
okay?
here
I
about
was
your
walking
heart.
across the parking
You
lot.
have a heart condition?
What did I do?
Just trying to figure out your medical status.
Yep.
I was just walking.
I know.
So you know, then why am I sitting here?
Because you're trespass.
I was walking across the
Okay,
road.
the sooner you guys get the stuff out, get him going.
I got.
Yeah.
I gotta take photos of like where these things are
So,
and collect the
do
evidence.
you want me to do anything more
Be able
for
to
you,
watch him.
Yeah, I got him. You don't want any more treatment?
Alright. While he's watching, I just gotta take some photos of the taser stuff.
Are you cool if I put the barbs in here?
Yep.
Biohazard no lock getter.
Yeah, and then I gotta take it for evidence. But yeah, once you put it in
I
there,
just don't like to leave the barbs out swinging.
I agree. Yep.
And then
It's fine.
he's told me that in the past we put him in a little container.
Yep.
Wrap up the wires and the just break the wires off first. They break really easy.
Hey, I appreciate you coming out.
Oh, no problem.
I hated it. I've actually.
Yeah. I know, he just usually...
Well, it's by myself, and I figured this was better than a fight for both of us.
That's what I'm trying to chase down.
It sucks worse, but it doesn't.
So is he like 31?
Yeah.
We gotta keep
What?
Yeah.
your brother's
Yeah, it's
31.
31.
Just try to find the other barb.
It's just, and it sucks with tasers. They look bad, but they're actually way safer than going on the fight.
Yeah, I don't even know if he even knows where I am when I was up there.
Yeah.
I don't even know how.
He was squared up on me, and so that's why I was like,
Yeah,
oh.
yeah. Yeah, he'd probably do the same with me.
Yeah.
You guys want this?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Just break them. Where were those electrodes? Front chest area?
One chest and one this one.
You're okay, bud. I'm just trying to
How many of them?
get all the mess out of here.
Alright, I gotta go to work.
I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Sorry you had to see all that.
That's alright.
You don't have a bag or anything, do you?
I'm sticking in one of these. That's what I do.
I've
Yeah, I was
actually
gonna turn
never.
my glove inside out.
Yeah, I've never actually done a full. Oh, you got it.
Yeah,
Where's
I
the-
usually wad them like this and then take my
Alright.
glove off.
I've actually never had to do a full
Oh.
tase.
So
I
hi,
did
are you
a
feeling
drive
okay?
stun last week for the first time.
Okay.
and
You're fine to go
Warm
with them?
springs, we didn't have
your
tasers.
AFib.
What?
Where
Those?
did you tase them at?
I picked those up. Those are in this one.
You got the AFib.
Yeah, they're right there. I just took a photo. I mean, just as quick as I could.
Alright. So, I'm sure. Are you taking it?
Yeah, I'm taking it.
Okay. The only thing I see, I mean, his R rate's elevated. It's like 140. I mean, I don't know if he has anything on board or anything like that. But,
Seems like
you know what I
alcohol,
mean?
but
So, but other than that, he doesn't have any complaints.
You get the barbs?
Not really want.
yeah, they're in the sharps.
Okay. Yep. Just
So-
make sure that let's just make sure it's locked so we don't have anything come out in your pocket.
Yep. Is it locked?
It will be.
All right. Yep, thank you.
You bet.
Yeah, we'll grab that. We'll put it in your pocket.
We'll get it.
So there's a little bit left right here. Wire. Leg up, bro. There we go.
Get that.
Hey, I'm gonna put this back in the pocket. Okay. I'm gonna put it in your front pocket. Actually, I'll just. That's the first time I've been on one of these. It doesn't sound like he wants me to do anything more for him, so I don't even know if I can get him to do a refusal, you know. So
That's fine. Do you need to sign a refusal, or I don't think he's?
No, I'm just gonna say that he went in your custody. And
Okay. Make sure. I'll just keep an eye on him on the way down. Yeah.
You put it there, right? Yep, that's right in the front.
I do need to double lock him once we're up.
Okay. All right, High Pine.
Yeah.
So where are you gonna take him?
Polk County. I'm just gonna put that there for now. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna
And then-
stand you up, okay? So put this leg straight forward like that, and tuck this one. Ready? Go.
All right.
Nice.
Now I just gotta double lock these and make sure they're not too tight on you, okay? I don't want to cut off your circulation or make anything worse, okay, man? Alright, I'm just gonna do a quick pat down.
Okay.
No weapons, right? I just gotta check.
How much you had to drink today?
Switch me. Did you grab those?
I did.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
So that's the wallet over here. Okay.
My phone.
And your phone. Alright.
I'm a bad guy.
No, you're not a bad guy. You just got a warrant and you broke the law, but that doesn't mean you're a bad guy. It's just you made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. I think my car is...
Right straight over there.
Yeah. Alright.
Yep.
Let's walk over to my car. We'll have you have a seat, okay?
All right, sir. Need anything, let us know.
Thank you.
Why'd you guys even stop me for?
You know, I already told you.
Just because I'm just coming brown? Am I
No.
a suspect?
Yeah, you were trespassing.
I was trespassing? So
Yeah.
you guys are, hey, that's that guy right there.
Yeah, I know that we knew, so. And I knew you had a
Hey,
warrant.
let's get this guy. Huh?
And I knew you had a warrant, so.
Shit. Where are you from?
I work here. Grand
Where?
Ron.
Are you from Polk County?
No, I work for Grand Ron Police.
Oh.
See? This is Grand Ron.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Alright.
See it? I work for the tribal police. Alright, if you want to go ahead and have a seat. Are you able to get in?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll get you some air too. You want your window rolled down on the way? Alright. I'm gonna try to get this on. Can I put your seatbelt on?
Alright, let me talk to my mom real quick.
She left.
Let me talk to my brother. Man.
He went inside. You told him to go back to work and he did. So, alright. Let's put that in the bag.
Sweet.
Fun. Appreciate it.
Are you gonna go back to your PD first, or are you gonna?
No, I'm gonna just take him straight.
All right, I'll just follow you there because I'm going back that way anyways.
Appreciate
In
it.
case you have some issue.
Yeah, he should be good on the way, but I'm more thinking if anything medical happens.
Yeah,
so.
he's super.
Yeah, one after the tase with the heart thing, and I didn't have the greatest aim just because dodging people. Did it? Yeah. Did what I could.
All right.
Better than a fight.
Cool.
So, appreciate it.
Glad I could get you hooked, but sorry for all the paperwork that now goes with it.
It's actually not that bad.
Yeah.
So I'm a quick typer.
Thanks again.
Yep. Let me get your window rolled down for some air, okay? Golf went away. Medics cleared my custody for transport, and I'll be en route to PCJ. Hey, no worries. I'll give you a call later. I got it. Can you hear me? Hey, I haven't left work yet. I got into something, so I'll explain later. So, well, I'll just let you know when I'm clear. It might be a while. So, I got some paperwork to do. So I'll give you a call when I'm done, and we'll see where you're at. Later. Bye. You got enough air?
Huh?
You got air?
I got air.
Okay.
Can you like release
The handcuffs?
Yeah, it's burning. It's hurting my hand.
I can't until we get to the jail, but I'll get there as quick as I can, okay?
Something got me a beer.
I wish, right?
Oh, we're going there?
We're going to Polk County.
Take these $2 out of my shorts. I got $2 right here.
Hey, just thought I'd let you know I tased High Pine Eastman.
Oh, wait a minute.
So calling you for the use of force. It was right when LT went end of watch, so he couldn't back me up. So he was already gone. So he was trespassed and also had a felony warrant. Wouldn't stop when I told him to. His mom was getting in the middle, and then he squared up on me, and so I had to tase him. And then I actually had to hit him a second time because he was resisting while I was trying to get the cuffs on by myself. So medics cleared him. I gathered. I took photos of where the what are the doors called, the FIDs or whatever. Took photos of those. Secured him. Medics pulled the barbs out after whatever they are, the probes after Papa 20 came as my cover. Just waited until he was there to go because he was still being semi-combative, and he's actually following me right now. Medics cleared him for transport, and so we're heading to PCJ. So just giving you a call on the use of force. What was that? Yeah, trespass. That was what the original call was that he's been trespassed multiple times. Yes. He's also going to have that. Yep. So his mom almost got those same charges, but she walked away when I told her she would be arrested if she didn't stop interfering and keep her distance. So, because yeah, she was trying to get between the two of us multiple times. But which is part of what escalated. Okay. 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 I put my spare one in there. I have them all in gloves right now, and we have the probes and sharps, so I'll just enter it all as separate evidence pieces or all just one. Okay. Okay. Hey, I'll call you later. He's banging his head. He stopped. Okay. Never mind. So they're in a sharps container right now, like a locked one from medics. They put them in one. So. Okay, I'll do that tonight. All right, and I'll just type up it all tonight. So it's just easier, I guess. And then might as well. So. And yep. So anything else I should do? I've actually never had to tase somebody before, so besides the use of force and those things as evidence for him. Oh, I haven't looked they just said it was confirmed felony, and they told me he had cautions for resisting it for assault on a peace officer. It's out of Yamhill, assault 2. So, and dispatch let them know as well. So, but I'm just heading to PCJ because it's quicker with traffic and everything. Yeah, and local charges too. So, all right. Yeah, if you think of anything else, just let me know. I mean, LT, I'm sure heard me say I had him tased, but since he's ended watching, I should call you as my first line.
Hey!
So.
Hey, what the fuck am I getting pulled over?
All right. Well, I will talk to you later. Thank you. All right.